Proven money. Online jobs without investment. How does one make money doing work from home without having to spend anything? The most beneficial feature of this is that it does not necessitate a significant expenditure. It enables you to work from any place, at any time, and provides you with a steady source of income. It does not necessitate a lot of rocket science expertise or skills. Fortunately for you, we've checked into several solutions that might be of assistance. Number 1, tutoring through the internet. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly common among students, parents, and tutors as a result of technological advancements. The majority of people find it more convenient to learn at home when receiving assistance from an online mentor in a secure and comfortable atmosphere. It is also becoming increasingly common and simple for the teacher/tutor these days, as all they need is their knowledge and access to a fast-running internet connection. The following are some of the advantages of working as an online tutor. Schedules that are flexible. Working in a secure setting offers comfort. The ease of picking your own work environment. Pay is consistent. Number 2, writing for a living. For those who have a passion for publishing, freelancing is a convenient way to make money. It's one of the highest paying jobs from home without investment and doesn't need a lot of equipment. Freelance writing is a great way to make money from home without having to spend a lot of money because the requirements are so tiny. It's just your keyboard, access to the internet. Writing jobs can be found on writing workboards and various freelancing sites, and usually include blog posts and web copy. How do you go about being a freelance writer? Since it's suitable for people who are good at writing, some companies can perform short grammar tests or request samples of your work in order to recognize those people. Then, and only then, can people with the requisite skill set be recruited. If you want to make money doing jobs from home without having to spend money and having the flexibility to choose where you want to work, freelance writing is a good option. Number 3, affiliate marketing. It is the method of collecting money by endorsing other people's goods in exchange for a fee. You endorse goods that you enjoy and benefit from the sales and profits you generate. Getting up in the morning, opening your laptop, and finding that you have made a tidy profit while sleeping. Yes, you read that correctly. You can easily make money from home without making any investments. And there you have it. The more people who visit the website, the more people who purchase it, and hence the more sales and benefit you make. Number 4, data entry. If you want the privilege of flexibility, data entry positions are perfect work from home internships and part-time jobs. The skill set required is as follows. Excellent keyboarding abilities. A proclivity for precision. The willingness to work under time constraints. You will accept work from a number of companies all over the world. However, before moving your bank account information, make sure to verify the validity of the companies. Number 5, job openings for online research. Many software developers and website owners don't want their visitors to get lost or confused on their pages, so they employ usability testers. You can earn honest money by working as a tester for the owners of these websites. The best thing about this line of work is that it does not take a lot of time to get started as a website tester. The following are the additional advantages of this job. From the side of a pool with a broadband connection, you can enjoy the warmth of your own house. There is no setup fee. There is no special knowledge needed. Number 6, micro jobs on the internet. Many students, housewives, and even people who work full-time do micro jobs online to supplement their income. For fast cash, you can offer your services such as video editing, writing, reading academic articles, designing logos, blogs, and maintaining social media accounts, among other items. You don't need any special skills for these jobs, and you can make money from home without spending any money. If people like your content, it attracts traffic, or your employer likes it, he or she may give you more projects to work on, which will earn you a lot of money. And what's more appealing than making money online? The majority of people take on these positions as full-time or part-time work from home jobs because they pay well and keep them occupied. Number 7, work in translation. If you're a student learning several languages, you will earn money as a translator in the meantime. People with multiple language skills are in high demand to translate documents, voicemails, journals, and other materials. How do you go about doing it? Register as a teacher or a coach. You can contact a number of translation agencies and freelancing opportunities. The amount of money you earn would be proportional to how many languages you speak. Majoring in a foreign language in college will pay off in more ways than you would think. Number 8, become a member of a Q&A website. When searching on Google, you might have run into the issue of not getting the exact response you were looking for. This is where the Q&A comes in. They assist you in obtaining the information you need. As a result, working as a Q&A representative will help you earn money from home without making any investments. Expert knowledge on a subject or topic will assist you in earning extra money. Number 9, employment as a virtual assistant. Digital assistant jobs will help you make some fast cash if you're a student with good communication and organizational skills. Of course, each virtual assistant role is distinct from the others. Data entry, social media management, analysis, document transcription, and organization are some of the general components to expect. All you need is your operating system, cell phones, and other electronic devices, along with an internet connection. Number 10, selling products on online marketplaces. Selling self-made products or other things online is becoming increasingly simple as e-commerce grows in popularity. Students may supplement their income by selling self-made or low-cost items, as well as old books, clothing, unused gift cards, CDs, and other items online. Anyone can make money online by selling products at a higher price than they paid for them. This has been a very popular practice in recent years because it helps you to work from home. The most well-known online earning sites are eBay and Amazon. The quality and quantity of the goods sold will determine how much money you will make. Number 11, job as a captioner. When you watch a movie, a broadcast, or an online video, you've probably noticed the subtitles. Who is it that does that? A captioner's job is to do just that, to build the text while listening to audio. People have a high demand for audio translations into text in various languages. This online job is simple to do, requires little experience, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Where do I begin? Sign up for a captioning account and wait for approval. To show your English language and grammar skills, take a grammar quiz and submit a captioning sample. You can begin working right away if you are authorized. Choose from a number of captioning roles. You'll be able to pick from hundreds of captioning jobs. Choose careers that attract you and work as little or as much as you'd like. What could be more pleasant than being paid to perform basic tasks at home in your own time to pay small bills or save for a special occasion? If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.